Hey YouTube, this is Alex1, and today I'll be going over a great piece of software called Game Booster. Game Booster basically is a software that goes and cleans up RAM, frees up RAM, and increases your computer's performance. Now, this piece of software is was primarily made for gamers, but now anyone can use it. Nothing like gamer or just computer guys. No, like normal computer users, anyone can use it, and it's good for both of the categories. So let's head over to the piece of software itself. As you can see, Game Booster is very easy to use. As soon as you open it, it's going to have a tab that's just going to say switch to gaming mode, and below here, as you can see, the details. Here is all the things the services that it will close while you switch to the gaming mode. Now, if you are a gamer, then I suggest that you just directly go and switch to gaming mode, and then after you're done your game, you go back to normal mode, as it will say on this tab over here after you want to come back. So, if you're a gamer, then you could do that. And also, if your game is running somewhat slower, then you can just go to a game defrag. Okay, this will kind of take a while to load because I have quite a bit of games. But you go to game defrag, and what it basically does, it defrags all your game files, and it allows the game to run very smoothly, rather than lagging up or lagging your computer or something. So that will also include increase your performance. Now, I was wrong. It does not only defrag games, it defrags all your softwares. Okay, so for example, if we were to defrag Age of Empires, I'm not going to do it, it's going to take quite a while, but it will defrag it, compress all the files, so your game runs much smoother, and it also defrags other pieces of software, as you can see in this tab over here. Now I'm going to go back to main, and this bit is for all you other users out there that don't game a lot and just want to increase your performance. Now, here in this detail section are some things that as a normal user you will need, like your print spooler. Now, if you're doing this not as a gamer but just want to increase your performance, then uncheck print spooler, because that's your printer, and if you check the printer off and you switch to gaming mode and try to print something, it won't print. So be sure to check it off if you're planning to print and stuff like that. There are other things over here so that you might want to check off, or whatever that you will need while you are using your computer. Now, I just want to show you a test. Let me move over my Game Booster, open up my task manager. Now, as you can see, I have 67 processes, and my CPU usage, as it says, is 100%. So I'm going to switch to gaming mode, and let's see the differences. I know my processes will drop quite a bit. Now, when you switch to gaming mode, you'll get a prompt like this, and just one sec, which will say, okay, do you want to also close these? Okay, and they you can close them temporarily to save more CPU and RAM. I really don't care. Okay, I mean, I know PMB you do need. I don't need my daemon tools, so I'm just gonna get rid of that for now. And I'm gonna close that, and then when I switch back to gaming mode, it'll automatically open it back for me. So I'm just gonna close them. And then, as you can see, the screen bar, when it reaches its end, you can see that it's cutting it off. So it dropped one process. Let's see how many more it'll go to. Last time I did this, it went up to 64, and that's what it's at right now. So it dropped 63, 62, so it's going. And it says 58. Sorry, just one sec. It minimizes automatically. Mouse fail. One sec. Yeah, so it's opening. So as you can see, it just says 58 MB released, and all these are stopped. Now, this is the one that we just checked off, and as you can see, it went from 67 processes, 60 processes. Now my CPU usage is at max because I'm recording, of course, and that's all. Okay, so those are the effects of the game booster. You can do everything else on this. Select your language. There are more than about it looks like about 50 languages that you can select from. And options, this is really nothing. You just check for update and normal stuff. It already does that for you. This clean and boost PC thing is not actually from Game Booster. It's from something else. So I would rather not click it. So that's basically my review and run of Game Booster. Look in the description below now for the link to this software. It's only 1.19 MB, so that's not a lot. And it's you just open it, and I'm pretty sure, you just install it and you double click it and it starts and you're good to go. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Again, the link is in the description below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.